Good morning to all of you. So today is 7th August and first we will analyze the Hindu page open. The open page RBI keeps key policy rates unchanged, GS paper 3 economy sections. Then Manoj Sinha appointed Jammu and Kashmir LG Murmu KG. So this is from GS paper 2. Then come to this page, that means the west page. From today's paper you will get an important topic on the west page, that means the page number 5. Panchganga in spectre of flood blooms large over Kolhapur, GS paper 3 disaster management. Then come to the editorial sections. Groundbreaking, this is from GS paper 1 culture. Cartographic challenge, this is from GS paper 2 international relation. An invisible humanitarian crisis in India, GS paper 1 society. Academic research is necessary but not sufficient, GS paper 3 science and technology. Then come to the can the NEP fix access to universal educations, GS paper 2 health and education sectors. Then come to the news page. From this page only 2 articles are important. India rejects China's UNSC move on Kashmir, GS paper 2 international relation. Center takes down report on Chinese transgression, GS paper 2 international relations. Then come to the next page. From here, India's COVID-19 cases cross 2 million, GS paper 2 health sector. Rain breaks South Mumbai record, GS paper 3 disaster management and environment. EIA norms will make polluter pay heavy penalty, Javadekar, GS paper 3 environment. Then come to these sections. Here in this page no article are important. So here on the world page, Lebanese leaders need to hear home truths, Macron, GS paper 2 international relation. Then business page, inflation to stay elevated, RBI, GS paper 3 economy. Debt resolution planned to help borrowers, lenders, bankers, GS paper 3 economy. Easy liquidity led to faster monetary transmissions, Das, GS paper 3 economy. Then come to the last page. So here Sharda Delvi, who explored the unexplored in Delhi, bids adieux. So it is from GS paper 1 culture sections. You can read it or you can skip it. It's not so much important.